So we go to 3D, select roofing, and we'll try to change the material of the roofing. So changing the material, dire lang ta class, no? Edit type. Then instead of overriding directly, ato na siyang i-duplicate. Okay? Most of the time, it's advised mag-duplicate. Hindi na to dito, no? Or override na to ang defaults. We have to make new types. So that's duplicate. So the naming will depend on you lang sa una nimo. It will be the name, roof 1, and then you will put the thickness. Then edit structure. So thickness here, you can change the thickness. For example, you want the thickness to be 0.25, the thickness of the roofing. Pero kanayang thickness, it's going to be according to unsay components and ano, unsay composition. Naman na siya, you have the no? You have the truss, you have the purlins, and then modern roofing sheets. Okay, so pwede na mo approximate or nearest, pinaka-nearest na dimension. But here, ito lang, let's say, 0.25 lang. Example lang na siya. For the material, dire gyapon. May button with 3 dots. Click ta diya class. This is the material browser. This is the material dialog. You can search kung naabay material for roofing. So naa siya. Pero if you don't like the listed materials, you can create new material. Kana. Then right click, rename. Wala na siyang roof 2, kaya na may roof 1. Okay, so that's our material for roofing. For graphics, click use render appearance. That means nga it will adapt the rather this item, no? Unsay color sa appearance, okay, i-adapt sa graphics. You can just make use of the colors. Example, di ka ganahan mag-apply yung katong material and you want lang colors lang. Okay, kaya you will be applying material dito lang sa other program, no? Separate programs. Pwede ra po na siya. Pero kung ganahan jud kag na ay texture within Revit, then pwede rin ka. Replace this asset. Click on that, then arita. Pwede rin. Mga ikay ka dari class. Pwede po ka dari sa second. Then pangita lang, roofing. Tanawa lang ang pinaka-nearest nga material na align with your objectives. Double click on that lang. Then automatic na siya. That will be applied for roof 2 material. Apply. Then okay. Then okay. Apply. Okay. Click. So as shown, na-apply siya class ang kanang roofing. Okay? Now, aside from the roofing, we click again the pull down arrow na siya fascia. Okay, we'll apply fascia. So click fascia under sa roofing. Click on that. So daghan na siya mga size. Rather here, na siya mga varied nga dimensions. Again, you go to edit type. Then here, under sa profile, daghan mga varied dimensions diyan. Okay? But ang option there is usara man. you have to duplicate. Yeah, ang imong name in diri, the name here should correspond with unsay imong selected items diri. Okay, these are dimensions man. Okay, so for now, ato lang i-pick ang default. Okay, we're going to explore lang that along the way further. So atong i-apply. Okay, then ari lang ta sa top edge. Yeah, click on that. Ayaw diri sa ubos, no? Kaya mabutang siya sa ubos. Diya lang. Clicking lang diya class. For the fascia, then rotate lang. The same setup as CAD, shift, hold shift, and then i-hold lang po ang right click of your mouse. So you have the fascia now. So the color of your fascia or material might be different. So atong i-change ang material of the fascia. Escape sa no? Escape to end the tool. So this is the fascia. You just have to select it, go to properties, then arita class, edit type. So na may na-set na material, but that's from previous section. So mag-create material. Click ka sa button with 3 dots. It's the same process. Click this one, create new material. Then right-click, rename. Fascia 2, kaya na may fascia 1. And then kung na-duplicate name, mo reklamo na siya, di siya mo create. So dapat unique ang name. Graphics, the same setup. Use render appearance para mo adapt siya sa unsay ato ang ibutang diri. Okay? Pwede ra kag if you will not use material, get specific material, pwede ra gyud. It's just color. Kung okay. Yeah, ma-detect ra man na siya. For example, sa Lumio, no? Based on colors man siya, ma-detect ra na siya, mailisan ra nimo. Okay? Pero ganahan jud kang material, diri na pud ka mag-browse. Same process as the other elements. So, panay apply, then i-okay, and take note, brown na siya. So, we'll see kung mo brown ba na siya. Okay. Yara rin na cancel. Okay, so that's the fascia class. Brown siya because brown man atong gibutang nga color. Next is we're going to put gutter. So gutter is still under roofing. You click the pull down arrow and then gutter at the bottom siya. So same as fascia, click lang that and then you will be clicking on the fascia, the top edge of fascia. Okay, nana dire, no? Click ta dire. Nana. But before you click, there is siyang gutter also. If you will go to edit type, you just have one option, but sa profile, we'll try na ba siya ilain ng mga profile. Na-class, no? This one also, 150. If you will use 150, you have to duplicate lang. Okay? Then the name here dapat will match with the profile here. We're going to use katong isa, 150 by 150 gutter, then dapat mag-duplicate ka. Okay? So we'll try, no? Kana lang. We'll use 150. Okay? So I change it to 150 by 150. Okay, because atong i-select na profile is katong here, at the bottom, which is 150 by 150. So again, the naming should be aligned, no, with the profile. Then we'll apply, then okay. So the current gutter is 150 by 150. That's the dimension here. Okay? So the tool is active for gutter. So you will just be clicking the top edge of the fascia. Okay? Click lang gana. That will create automatically other edge. Careful lang sa pag-click. So click the class. You can use orbit. Okay, so we are done. So we have fascia and gutter.